Here's the bottom of the compound that I'm using for this lathe. I realize this isn't the original compound. This is a metal turning compound, but it's what I got at the moment. This piece here is cast onto this. There's no way to remove this from this, but this piece here is bolted on, so I can pull this off, and I can pull this off, and I can make an adapter plate that this bolts to, and then that adapter plate will attach to the lathe bed, and that will let me move the compound back about 4 inches is what I need to be able to use this to make art pieces on here. That'll get the cutter back to where it needs to be to actually function. Anyway, I'll pull these pieces off and start figuring out what I need for a adapter plate. Digging through my scraps, I found this. It's a chunk of 1/2 inch thick brass. That'll make a good extension for that compound cross slide that I'm fixing up. Here's the piece marked out and ready to cut. I'll attack this with my bandsaw and we'll see what we get. Here's the bracket bolted to my lathe bed. It uses the existing T nut here to locate this, and it uses the existing hold down that came with it. There's a couple of T slots in here that I can move the whole compound in and out. It can go back another inch, and it can go forward another inch or so. And where we're at now, I got another inch or so of travel back here, and I can move this back, I think. But I'm at over 3 inches. The chuck, there's a 3-inch chuck, so that should be able to get me get the tool where I need it. It gives me plenty of adjustment. Here it is, a little bit bigger on the machine. Now I just need to get a shaft from here over to here so that the gears will line up. I don't know if it needs to be adjustable, maybe like a shaft with a collar on it or something, and I can move the collars and stack the gear up in there. I don't know what would be the best right there, but I'll come up with something. Also, I'm wondering if I need to have a support for the shaft out here, because it's starting to look kind of long, where like 4 inches maybe. Yeah, it'll be about 4 inches. So I need to think about maybe adding a support or something right there. I'll have to think about that a little bit, but I got the cross slide so I can use it. So that's a good day. I'll clean this up and put the attempt to put the water of air finish on it, make it look nice. Anyway, we're getting closer.